In the heart of the jungle, there lived a young elephant named Elmo. He was playful but had a habit of repeating everything he heard without thinking. Whenever the animals gossiped, Elmo would echo their words throughout the jungle. One day, he overheard a monkey say, "The lion is getting old and weak." Without realizing the trouble it could cause, Elmo repeated it loudly. The news spread fast, reaching the lion himself. Angered, the lion called all the animals and demanded to know who had started the rumor. Terrified, Elmo admitted his mistake. The wise owl, seeing the elephant's regret, said, "Words are powerful, Elmo. Once spoken, they cannot be taken back. They can either build or break trust." Elmo realized his mistake and promised to think before speaking. From that day on, he used his voice to spread kindness and encouragement. Morale: think before you speak. Words have the power to help or harm. Thanks for watching.